Best weightlifting wrist hook straps. https://www.amazon.com/dmoose heavy weightlifting/dp/b01n5l5i0h https://www.amazon.com/coughoff weightlifting deadlift powerlifting adjustable/dp/b0bs44y8rem. Product number 1, D-Moose wrist hooks. First up, I tested the D-Moose wrist hooks. Right out of the box, the first thing I noticed was the padding. It's got this 8mm thick wrist cushion that is honestly a lifesaver. A lot of cheaper hooks dig into your skin when you go heavy, but these felt surprisingly soft even when I was pulling near my max. The coating on the actual hooks is really grippy. It locks you onto the bar so you aren't constantly sliding around. I loaded these up pretty heavy. They're rated for 500 pounds, and the reinforced stitching didn't make a sound. If your main issue is your forearms burning out during shrugs or rows, these take that variable completely out of the equation. They are a bit bulky, but they work. If you want a hook that lets you isolate your back without worrying about pain, this is a solid start. Product number 2, upgraded leather lifting straps. Then I tried these upgraded leather straps. The shift from metal hooks to double-layer soft leather changes the feel completely. These are much more pliable and form-fitting. I really appreciated the extra padding around the D-shaped metal ring. Usually that ring pinches my skin when I tighten straps down, but these have a nice buffer there so nothing squeezes your wrist. The leather is about 8.5 inches long, which gave me a solid wrap around the bar without too much excess bulk getting in the way. They handled the 480-pound test well, and the cow suede actually felt stickier as my hands got a bit sweaty. These feel more like a traditional strap, but with significantly better comfort features. If you prefer the natural, flexible feel of leather over rigid metal hooks, these are a really comfortable pick for your gym bag. Product number 3, Gym Reapers lifting hooks. Moving on to the Gym Reapers lifting hooks. You see this brand a lot on social media, so I was skeptical, but the build quality here is legitimate. The neoprene padding around the wrist feels premium. It's dense but not stiff. I used these for a heavy deadlift session, and the coated metal hook is aggressive. It grabs the bar and simply does not let go. What stood out to me was the reinforced nylon webbing. It feels incredibly sturdy, like it's built to take a beating for years. They are designed to help you crush PRs by taking the load off your forearms, and they definitely do that. If you are pushing serious weight and want gear that looks good and matches a high-end aesthetic while actually performing, Gym Reapers is the way to go. They feel professional, rugged, and secure. Product number 4, TAVIW weightlifting straps. Next, I grabbed the TAVIW straps. These have a unique design that tries to bridge the gap between a glove and a strap. The coolest part for me was the one-handed wrappability. Usually fiddling with straps takes forever, but these contour to the bar really quickly. They use cowhide padding, which felt great against my palms, no chafing or weird rubbing during high-rep rows. They claim to shift weight to your wrists to protect your palms, and I felt that immediately. It takes the pressure off your calluses. I'd say these are perfect if you want to lift heavier, but you're also trying to protect your skin from tearing. If you hate the hassle of winding long traditional straps around the bar, the design here makes setting up for your set much faster and way less annoying. Product number 5, Armageddon Sports wrist hooks. Finally, I tested the Armageddon Sports hooks. If you have smaller hands or just a naturally weaker grip, these are going to be your best friend. The steel hooks are solid, they don't bend at all. I found the material noticeably breathable compared to the others. My wrists didn't get as sweaty and itchy during a long back day. They market these as better than straps, and for specific movements like heavy shrugs, I have to agree, you just click in and pull. The fit is very secure and the adjustment mechanism is quick, so you aren't wasting time between exercises. I felt zero hand fatigue on my last few reps. These are my recommendation if you're totally done with straps slipping and just want a mechanical lock on the bar to really hammer your muscles. So that's the breakdown. Whether you want the rigid lock of a steel hook or the contour of leather, one of these will help you lift heavier. I've dropped links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current pricing and see what's on sale. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.